Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a review on the book The Book of Indian Reptiles and Amphibians by world-renowned herpetologist J.C. Daniel. This book sums up the exact details about the reptiles and amphibians of India. When we open up the book, we can see the publisher. The book is published by Oxford University Press and Bombay Natural History Society. Now we can see the contents of the book. Here, as you can see, there are the head and neck of two mugger crocodiles. There are some pictures of tortoise and terrapins. Here is a dorsal and ventral view of the foot of Hemiductylus. Here, as you can see, are some pictures of a Brooks gecko, termite hill gecko and a rock gecko. Here are some pictures of skinks. Now here come the snake portion of the book. Here, as you can see, there is late head dorsal view, head side view, dorsal wide view, side view and tail of a Russell earth boa. This kind of illustrations help a person to understand a snake in a detailed and logical manner. This is the 2018 reprint of the book. Total pages are 238. This book contains 53 species of Indian snakes, which include both common and rare species. Book was first published in 1983, being its first edition, following the second edition in 1988, also following up the third edition of 2002, in which the amphibians portion was added. This is very good book and you can purchase from Amazon or Flipkart. Here is a picture of snake's eggs. Price of the book is between 600 to 700 rupees in India. From here begins the amphibian section of the book, which was added in the third edition of the book in 2002. This book contains 53 snakes, 45 lizards, 31 tortoise and turtle and 45 amphibians, making up a total of 175 species. Here come the glossary and index of the book, and from this the book ends.